Hi everyone, it's Sue, and I've done a little bit of upgrading while you were gone. No, I didn't win the lottery and buy myself $1 million chalet, but I did buy myself an early Christmas present, a green screen. That's right, this lovely background was brought to you by my new green screen. So I'm going to be playing around with this for the next few videos, so let me know in the comments section below what you think. So welcome to day 7 of my 12 Christmas movie themed collaborations. Now, if you'd like to take part in these collaborations, please check down in the description box below. That's where all of the instructions will be. But basically, check which date is which movie and make sure that you put the hashtag in your title so that everyone can find your creative creation, and I will give you a shout out on my channel. So last time, the movie theme was Mickey's Once Upon a Christmas. So if you'd like to see the marker drawing tribute that I did for that, plus check out the playlist of all the other amazing YouTubers who participated, click on the link above. Now today I'm just going to give you a few hints as to what the movie theme might be. So I want you to watch really closely, but not too close, you might shoot your eye out. So you're wondering what DIY project I could make for this movie? Why, it could be anything. It could be a bowling alley. I'm just sure that it's not fragile though. So stick around to find out what tribute I do for today's Christmas movie theme. Hey guys, come back. Guys, come back. First, a belated shout out for Mickey's Once Upon a Christmas, Pleasantly Sarah. And now for A Christmas Story. Sweetsby Jazz, Tutu's Krafty Kreations, Renee's Creative Casa, A Dollar Tree Mimi's World, and Leigh's Art Studio. If you haven't guessed already, that our movie today is going to be A Christmas Story, and this is one of my family favorites. And since there's so many iconic scenes and sayings in this movie, I thought that I could incorporate some of those into some cute little Christmas tree decorations. So I just took 4 of these little wooden signs from the Dollar Tree and painted both sides of them white with some acrylic paint. So I've been making some very complicated Christmas decor lately, so I thought that this DIY, I would take it simple, take it easy, and just do some little images on my Cricut and print them out and put them on my painted signs. Well, that was not to be the case. Again, I have a love-hate relationship with my Cricut, and making these tiny little sayings and tiny little designs that are very intricate was extremely frustrating. So I did not show you the process of me weeding them out and printing them out, as I wanted to maintain my family-friendly status here on YouTube. And I'm sure that more than once I may have said the words fudge. However, I think all the pain and agony and effort did pay off, as I thought they turned out pretty cute. I did the pair of Ralphie's glasses with the eye shot out of them saying, "You'll shoot your eye out." I did the iconic leg lamp silhouette, a Christmas story with a little wreath on it, and the infamous pink bunny suit that Ralphie's Aunt Clara made him for Christmas. So once the paint was completely dry, I affixed my Cricut designs onto my little wooden signs very carefully as to not peel off the paint. Then I decided to put a protective layer of Mod Podge on, just because there were so many little tiny details I didn't want them to peel off. Then I just used some hot glue to glue a little string on the back of each sign so that you could hang them on your Christmas tree. So I thought that they turned out pretty cute. So let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. And see you next time on Discovering the Art of Living. Once the ornaments were done, I dug out this little tree that I got at the dollar store, and I decided to put it up and hang my decorations on it upstairs. In which case I had a little fur baby helper. Here's my JJ helping me put the ornaments on the tree. Also, here's a Christmas countdown that I did last year. If you want to check out the link, click above. Not to be left out, here's my other fur baby, Maggie. Say hi, Maggie. Merry Christmas, everyone.